This is Luke from Emo Electric, and we're here today to show you how to use an ePropulsion Navy motor with a third-party battery. So we've got a short shaft ePropulsion Navy 6 right here. We've got a 120 amp hour, 6 kilowatt hour solid state marine battery there. But the issue is the new Navies come with these Amphenol connectors here, not your standard ring terminal. If you buy an ePropulsion E-Series battery like the E60 or E163, these plug right in. But if you have a third-party battery, it will likely be set up to be used with standard ring terminal connectors, and you have to harmonize that somehow. One option is cutting these off and crimping on ring terminals. If you do that, we recommend having a professional make that happen, because any issues that result from a bad crimp could lead to things not being covered under an ePropulsion warranty. What they officially recommend is purchasing a bus bar and the e-battery output cables. So we sell these as a kit, call it the ePropulsion third-party battery kit, that includes 2 bus bars and both the positive and negative e-battery output cable. And we'll show you how all that would get hooked up here. So first, we're going to hook up our negative bus bar there and our positive bus bar here. These connectors are pretty cool. They make a nice waterproof connection, and then to remove them, just push that button, take them out. And then we're going to hook up our output cables here. And then we're going to get these hooked up to our battery. All right, so now we're hooked up and we're ready to go. Motor's all ready to use. We just turn this breaker on and we're good to go. If you're interested in purchasing an ePropulsion Navy, a solid state marine battery, or the ePropulsion third-party battery kit, you can find all of those in our online store at www.emoelectric.co. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments.